Is your building maintenance efficient and effective? Discover how the Building Repair and Maintenance form in eAuditor transforms inspections. From capturing key details to managing repairs, this tool ensures safety and functionality. Every inspection starts with gathering essential information. Record the inspection date to maintain a timeline. Specify the building name and exact location inspected. Note the inspector's details, including department and weather conditions. This establishes context for the inspection process. Check exterior walls for cracks and paint wear. Inspect the roof for leaks and ensure gutters are clear. Inside, examine walls, ceilings, and floors for damage. Ensure doors and windows function properly. Safety checks include ventilation and staircase integrity. Inspect electrical systems for exposed wiring and test backup power. Check plumbing for leaks and ensure faucets function. Verify fire extinguishers are charged and exits are clear. Test smoke alarms and ensure first aid kits are stocked. These steps ensure a safe environment. Identify and describe any issues found during inspection. Rate the severity as low, medium, or high. Document required parts and assign a technician. Set a target date for completion. This ensures prompt and effective repair action. Record whether maintenance actions are complete. Describe the work done and note the completion date. Verify the work with a supervisor's name and notes. Final approval requires inspection results and signatures. This process ensures thorough documentation and accountability. eAuditor is mobile-friendly, allowing inspections on the go. Real-time reporting enables swift problem resolution. The form is fully customizable to meet specific building needs. It supports compliance with safety and company rules. This reduces risks and avoids penalties. The Building Repair and Maintenance form in eAuditor keeps buildings safe and functional. Regular inspections catch issues early, ensuring timely repairs. Start using eAuditor to maintain a safe and compliant building.